This can This is the dal market wherein this can prepare for 10,000 children at a time, and it takes about 2 hours. It is a stirring mechanism. It stirs mostly these tubes. Vehicles are ready.
Feeding children, 57,000 number of children will be fed meal from this kitchen, which have been inaugurated by the Chief Minister today. We have made a fixed investment of 8 crore, which have been fully funded by Raurkela Chitta, and then about 2 rupees 30 paisa per meal is the running cost, which will be paying it to Akshaya Patra Foundation.